In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run campaign on Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, go to the Campaigns tab. This is where you can create and manage the email campaigns for your audience. After opening the Campaigns area, click Create Campaign to start a new one. You will then be asked to choose the type of campaign you want to make. Select Email. This opens the Email Campaign Builder, where you can choose the layout and design for your message. Constant Contact offers a variety of templates, so take a moment to choose one that fits the style and purpose of your campaign. When you find the one you want to use, click Customize. Now you can begin editing the email itself. Update the content so it matches the message you want to send. Replace the sample text with your own wording, and make sure everything is clear and easy to read. You can also change the images to match your brand or the topic of the campaign. If your email includes buttons or links, edit those as well so they send readers to the correct page. This part is important because it is where you shape the final experience your audience will see. Once your content, images, and links look good, click Continue. The next part is choosing who will receive the email. Select your contact list from the available options. Make sure you choose the correct list so the campaign goes to the right audience. This helps keep your communication relevant and organized. After selecting your contact list, set the subject line and pre-header. The subject line is the first thing people notice in their inbox, so keep it clear and direct. The pre-header adds a short preview that appears next to or below the subject line in many email apps. Together, these help encourage people to open your message, so review them carefully before moving on. When everything is ready, you can choose whether to send a campaign immediately or schedule it for later. Click Schedule if you want to pick a future date and time. Click Send now if you are ready to deliver the email right away. Before you finish, it is always a good idea to give everything one final review to make sure the content, audience, and timing all look correct. Once that is done, your campaign is ready to go. That covers everything you need to know.